Hey everyone, a recreational impact, if you don't remember, is any impact that basically occurs as a result of recreational activities. So anything that we do that's basically fun and gets us outdoors, whether it's bushwalking, canoeing, kayaking, mountain bike riding, trail bike riding, skiing, four-wheel driving, the list goes on. Any of those sorts of things have an impact on the environment, and those impacts are basically called recreational impacts, and they can be all sorts of things from just trail degradation, people leaving rubbish. The list is possibly endless. Commercial impacts are impacts that are basically a result of setting up certain systems in place so people can generate income from them. So Mount Buller is a perfect example of that. That is completely about creating an income for Mount Buller, and all day we go there and we pursue recreation. They put in the ski runs as a way of commercially making money, and basically it's an impact on the environment that has a goal of generating some sort of income. Commercially, timber harvesting, that's another one. That's using the resources to try and generate income. Mining, we have introduced species, etc. And farming and agriculture, that's probably the biggest commercial impact that we have, especially in our area. And the final one is conservational impact. This one is any impact that is about trying to conserve the environment. Now that seems weird because impacts usually degrade it, but in some ways a conservational impact is trying to do good. So although it might initially be an impact on the environment and it mightn't be good in the immediate term, the long-term benefits of it actually try to help it. So you'll see many examples of that when you're on the Grampians trip, and one of them is the boardwalk. And the boardwalk basically is a boardwalk, as you know what they are, but it is designed so that you don't ruin the track that's below it or the sensitive ground that's below it. So although initially it's a bit of an eyesore, it doesn't look very good, it's about trying to sustain what's underneath it. And that's also the same as down at the lake. There was lots of objects in place to stop erosion around the beach, and although initially they have a bit of an impact on the environment, long term they hopefully help it sustain. So that's a conservational impact.